I would like to show you yet another use for the UVision picture editor. And you can actually go to your customer's house, the one that you're drawing a plan up for, and you can actually photograph their front door, their actual front door, and crop it in the picture editor, and then save it and apply it to the house. So let me show you how that works, because sometimes some of the pre-made ones in the library are not always fitting, and it kind of detracts away from your final plan. So we move over into the UVision picture editor, and I'll open up and I'll put in my front door. So here's the photograph I've taken, and what I want to do is I want to cut this door out, this entrance, and put it into my new design. And we can do that with either this selection tool and work very carefully around all the trim work, or if it's something that doesn't need to be as precise, you can start in and capture it this way with the box, and crop to selection here on top will give you this. Now you've got your front entrance in. Now you can go in and tidy this up a little bit more with the square box tool. You can go in on this side. You can delete a little bit there, and you can delete a little bit on this side. And you can leave those sides, those parts transparent if you want. And now we're ready to save this. File, save as, front door, transparent. And make sure you save it as a target. We'll give you the best image and maintain any transparencies that you have. Click Save. Now you can go back to your 3D software. Let's get rid of this front entrance for now, and we're going to go Tools, Picture Import Wizard, click Next. Make sure you click on Picture and save in the picture category. Save as picture is very, very important. And we'll open up our front door transparent file. Click Open. And we'll click Next, Next, and Finish. Now we have the door. We want to change that Rotate to Face Viewer off, and we'll bring that up closer to the house and then begin to scale it. Move it back. You might want to turn your snap off so you can carefully position it. Of course, you may have to move some other things like these lights, but there you have it. You can import a door. You can bring it up to scale. You can raise or lower it depending on where it belongs. And now you'll have a much more realistic looking front entrance. You can do the same for windows. You can do the same for garage doors, and it will really improve the overall look of your drawings. And there you have another use for picture editor.